In this video, I'll show you how to convert Excel file to Google Sheets. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. I'll be showing you two popular methods on converting Excel file to Google Sheets. So number one is you need to log into your Google account, all right? And once you've done that, let's hover here, right? So say, for example, you are on your Google Sheets. All you're going to do is import the file onto your spreadsheet. By doing so is just go here at open, right? And locate the file that you wanted to convert into a spreadsheet. Say, for example, I've already created an Excel file. Then here, all I'm going to do is drag and drop. It'll take some time, right? So by using Google Drive or directly importing your file into Google Sheets, you can easily convert Excel files into Google Sheets and work with them collaboratively or in the cloud. So it is taking some time. Now it's been loaded right here. So this is my actual Excel file that is converted to Google Sheets. That's one method. And the next method would be simply go here. There's a lot of free websites online that offers conversion to Excel to Google Sheets. Say, for example, this one right here. And when they convert your Excel file to Google Sheets easily without any watermark, right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.